So, we're living in a very confused world, and many people tell me how difficult it is to lead a balanced, happy, and spiritual life when all sorts of things are happening every day: work, family, the world. It's quite a task to keep the right path in life. So, for that, I have created the Astrological cards. They're actually a small box of wonders. A small box that holds in it 52 cards representing the celestial frequencies that hold for us much wisdom, healing, and balance. My recommendation is to start every day with a small, quick morning process, to take one card and to get one celestial message that will help us start the day already in a much more balanced and healthy way. Now, if during the day we're getting confused, we have some questions, this is the time to take the deck again and to ask a certain question that will bring us back to our well-being, balance, and health. It can be a question like, how can I deal with that situation? What should I now do? The astrological cards are a very, very simple, friendly tool to use. You can use it by yourself with no need to learn much. Have the box with you and you can do the work anytime you need. So this is kind of a magical toolbox for you to have with you daily in order to keep your balance and in order to live a healthy and joyful life.